Hi again, this is Irfan with a slightly different camera today. It's a Bolex H16 EL version. It's also electric, it takes a 12-volt battery to get started. I came across this camera a couple of months ago. It appears to be in a very decent shape, Just trying to give you some idea about how it works. I have connected it Talon cell. It's a 12-volt battery with this cable which connects it with the battery. Viewfinder does need a little bit of cleaning. I see one spot in the finder. The door does show some kind of wear. Otherwise looks pretty decent, It has a 13x finder, huge finder. That's how how the motor works. Pretty quiet. I'm kind of planning to get it updated to Super 16 soon. I should get into touch with two of my friends. They do the job, but it takes a little bit of time to get it back from them. They have tons of work to complete. In case you have any questions, comments, you're most welcome to write to me. Thank you very much.